When you're starting a business or perhaps setting up a YouTube channel, you hire someone to make a logo, right? And you pay them a decent amount because your logo is your identity, correct? And you don't want to mess it up because it's all about the brand. But there's 3 problems. Hiring someone takes and wastes time. You end up spending megabucks and chances are the designer just might not get it right. What's the solution? Make the logo yourself. Here are some of the options you might want to consider. And the last one will deliver you a logo in under a minute. Check out these logos made by Midjourney. In case you didn't know, Midjourney is only accessible through Discord, so you'd have to sign up there and join Midjourney's server. Create a private server and invite Midjourney's bot. It'll keep your logos private and secure. Once that's done, you can get started with your prompts. But don't forget to add the word logo and the type of logo you want. This could be an emblem, landmark, or mascot. You can also include the name of an artist if you want Midjourney to take inspo from their style, or artistic techniques such as gradient or screen print, colors of brand, and background. Finally, enter prompts for things you don't want in your logo. For example, text, shadows, color, or shape. Here's a tip to find some prompt inspirations. Search the word logo on Midjourney's public server, and you'll see logos generated by other users. From here, you can analyze how they've organized their prompts. Then try to implement those ideas into your own logo. Just play around with different prompt styles until you've found what works. Then save your design as a PNG file. Canva is already really popular because of its template designs, but chances are someone else already used the design you want to use. That's where Canva AI comes in, and it's free. Once you're logged in, click on Create a Design over on the top right side. Then choose Logo from the available options. Then go to Apps over on the left side, scroll down, and choose Text to Image. If you're using your mobile, you'll need to click on the plus icon and go to the Apps section, and then activate the Text to Image feature. You might want to get some initial inspiration by going to the Logo Ideas section on the home page. To generate a logo, just type in a suitable prompt and select a style. There's lots to choose from. For a logo, the most suitable aspect ratio would usually be square, so choose that and click on Create Your Image. The generated logo might not be perfect, but you can edit it pretty quickly. Click on Edit Photo, and you can remove background or use Magic Eraser to remove something you don't like. But if you're not using the Pro version, then save your image and search for background remover on Google. You can also make mockups within a few seconds. Go to Apps and search Mockups. Open that and select whichever option you want. Then drop your logo in this area and let Canva do its thing. These logos were generated using Wix Logo Generator, which is kind of different from your typical text-to-image generators. Unlike others, Wix Logo Generator was specifically built for designing logos. When you go to their website and click on Get My Logo, you'll get 2 options. You'll want to click on Create a Logo yourself. Then you'll need to sign up using Google or a Facebook account. Once you're in, just add your business name or logo text, what business you're in, and then the kind of logo vibe you're looking for. Then it'll ask you to choose from a couple of designs, or skip this step. Wix will then process all of that data to come up with some initial logo designs. On the left side of the page, you'll see lots of different options. Select the one you like and click on Customize Your Logo. You'll then have the option to play with color palettes, fonts, symbols, and shapes. You also have the option to add your own image and then choose the background. We'd recommend a white background as it's easier to edit later. Play along with these settings, and once you're happy, download the PNG file. And there are lots of other AI logo generators out there, like Looka or Taylor Brands or Logo Bean, and they all have free versions. But it's fair to say the free versions are limited, as you might expect. So you might want to check out the next option, which may just tick all your boxes. But before we get to it, please subscribe. We appreciate it. This AI logo maker is completely free, and you'll have a logo in under a minute. Hatchful is a logo maker by Shopify. You might have heard of them. If you go to their website and click on Create a Logo Now, it'll take you to the initial options. Choose your business space or type, and if you don't find a relevant option, click on None of Above. Choose your visual style, enter your business name, select all of the places where your logo is going to be used, and there you have it, multiple logos generated in under a minute. Pick the one that works best for you, and then use the Edit tool to make any changes. Once you're done, download your logo,